We're trying to eat dinner at the table today. Trying to have them start to feed themselves. Grayson's into the meal. Bella is not. We're going to try oatmeal as a backup because I still want her to try and feed herself. She's just not into the pasta and chicken broccoli concoction that I made. But Grayson seems to like it, and he's starting to scoop. He's trying. Cool. Ah, good job, son. Good job, Baba. Alright, so he's doing alright. Not too messy. Bella is just protesting the meal altogether, which I think it tastes alright. Maybe she's just not in the mood to eat. But we're going to try the oatmeal, and we'll film that too when that comes out. Okay. This is dinner. Dinner time. We're going to try this so that they can start to learn how to feed themselves. That's the next step. Mama has to stop scooping it into their mouths during every meal. So here we go. Bye. Oh, one more scoop for the big dogs. Good job, son. All right. Bye.